She's ready for flash.
Hello, welcome to Szczyrk in southern Poland.
And here, Draminski is the sponsor of a course done by PolSKI CPD, and there are a lot of guests. We have more than 100 guests all over Europe and even from the United States, from Belgium, from Italy, from Spain, from Brazil.
Udało nam się zaprosić tutaj naprawdę wyjątkową grupę wykładowców, naprawdę na najwyższym poziomie. Przede wszystkim Johna Newcomba z Cambridge, który jest światowej sławy specjalistą rozrodu zwierząt, i cały szereg naukowców, którzy naprawdę na najwyższym poziomie próbowali przekazać wiedzę rozrodową dla uczestników. W agendzie naszej konferencji znalazły się oprócz konferencji i wykładów teoretycznych również warsztaty praktyczne z zakresu rozrodu koni na żywych zwierzętach z najlepszym sprzętem najlepszych światowych firm typu Draminski, z czego jesteśmy naprawdę bardzo dumni.
We just been in the middle of the workshop from the PolSKI CPD workshop in Poland, and this is the new scanner from Draminski that we've been using in the mares of the workshop. And as you can see here, the new feature is that it has a Doppler, which has a better quality than in the blue scanner. And also it's quite light, as you can see here, it will be around 1.5 kilos, so it's very portable. And just with the normal rectal probe. So I'm quite happy to start using it and trying with the mares for the normal scanning.
I like a lot because are a lot of veterinarians with experience in the fields, and the participants, they have the chance to speak with the speakers, split a lot of information. And it's very important that we go skiing in the morning with all the participants and speakers, and then we are very close together. And it's a very nice atmosphere at Congress, very simple people, and it's very nice to be here. We're using especially the Draminski Blue Ultrasound most of the times, and also I use other ultrasound in the case that the customer has, but my first selection will be a Draminski, especially the quality of the picture, and it's easy to charge. I fly a lot between the countries, and I had before one other more heavy equipment, and now I have my Draminski Blue that I can put in my backpack and move everywhere.